Hello everybody. Welcome to the final webinar today of a Giant Service Week. I am Rashida Mehmoon, your host for today. And this webinar today is organized by the Giants group of Mazgaon Greens. It's an all ladies group, green and fresh as ever. President Insia Chhauniwala would like to say a few words to you. Over to Insia. Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes, Insia, we can hear you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Insia Chhauniwala, President of Giant Group of Mazgaon Green. On behalf of Giant Group of Mazgaon Green, I would like to thank Zahabia Kagalwala for giving us her time and expertise. I thank Unit Director Rashida Mehmoon for organizing this webinar. And I thank all those present here today for attending. I hope you all find this webinar very useful. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Insia. Sorry.
We would also like to introduce you to Mrs. Zahabia Kagalwala, our speaker for today. She's a certified learning and development trainer from City and Guilds, United Kingdom. She's a certified personal counselor from the Institute of Human Technology, certified career counselor from iDream Career. She has to her credit a total career experience of 13 years, out of which 11 were corporate experience and 2+ years in the social sector. Despite of a perfect profile, she believes that learning never stops. And so she's currently pursuing her master's in psychology. We wholeheartedly welcome Zahabia Kagalwala and thank her for this wonderful initiative. Thank you, Zahabia. Over to you. Please continue.
Thank you so much. This was really sweet, Rashida Bain. Okay, so without wasting much time, I would really want to hear from a few of you that how was the experience in the breakout room, and if you can share within your group, what all activities did you all cover? Su cover kidu, su song decide kidu, team nu su naam che. Anybody can volunteer from any of the groups.
Rashida Bain, will you talk about our group? Please unmute yourself.
Sure. Our group name is Khushi Khushi, and
Okay.
we completed all our activities before time.
Brilliant.
The jackpot amount also, how we are going to spend, that is also done.
Okay, can we hear a few things that you have decided with that jackpot amount?
Yeah, we have all decided to go for a trip to Himachal Pradesh.
Okay, that's nice. Okay. And what is the song of the group?
The song of the group is Jab Koi Baat Bigad
I think
Jaye.
everybody should sing. At least ek to gayan chalu jo hai. Whoever was it.
बात बिगड़ जाए जब कोई
जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए
मेरा साथ मेरा नवा. That's really sweet.
कोई था जिंदगी
में तुम्हारे सिवा
तुम देना
साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
and we got
Yes.
done making our paper planes.
Does that plane fly? तुझे camera on करने बताओ ऊपर से.
Yeah, it flies also.
I will show now. तुम्हारा कैमरा ऑन कर.
बताओ ऊपर से लम्बा में यहाँ से.
Okay.
And the unique thing about our group members also, we have done with that also.
That's really nice. It was nice to know each other's uniqueness. How did you feel?
Yeah, it was a very nice experience.
Thank you. Thank you so much. It is really nice of you to share. Any other group, because there were 4 groups. One more group we can take because we have already, halfway through the time.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
if there is one more group.
My
Yes.
group is there.
Yes, please.
My
Hello.
group name is Masti. Masti.
Masti.
Okay,
And,
nice.
We hello. And
Yes, yes.
we spent the money we took a helicopter ride. And
Okay.
and coffee we had in Taj.
Okay.
And this is an
બધા પૈસા વપરાઈ ગયા.
બધા
વપરાઈ
વપરાઈ ગયા.
ગયા.
હજી ઓછા પડ્યા.
અચ્છા.
હજી ઓછા પડ્યા.
And
ઝાબિયાથી લઈશું અમે, થોડા પૈસા ઓછા પડ્યા.
song
Okay. Song बताओ.
નહીં, અમારું સોંગ છે એ દિલ હે મુશ્કિલ
जीना यहाँ जरा हटके जरा बचके.
ये है मुंबई मेरी जान.
This is amazing. Thank you so much. You all have been such a good.
Zabia Ben, can I say now?
Yes, please.
My group is name is Cinderella.
Wow. Okay.
And our song is हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे
मतलब inspiring
कामयाब,
है.
एक दिन मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे
कामयाब. I think I'll do physical clap also for here. This is
Ane, we spend our money first of all ziyarat. Our group is going for the ziyarat, any
okay.
ziyarat, and
Okay.
we are buying all household items and gifting to Cinderella.
Okay.
Wedding dress and wedding chair and all household items. Fridge, TV, washing machine, carpet, everything.
That's really nice. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay. So coming back to this, and thank you very much to all of you to share what happened in the group. The idea why we did this, okay, that is the topic aaj apnu che. Like, rather than directly giving a presentation, I thought that we will do a little activity so that when I show the presentation it becomes more clearer कि अपने सुकाम आ करी रहा था. So the idea is આજે તમારે activities આપી, and what is the topic for today? આ બે વસ્તુ link છે. Now how is that link? I am going to tell that now, and without wasting time I will start the presentation. You got an amount. તમારે એક amount મળ્યો હતો. Did anyone guessed it કે amount શું છે? Anybody? I'm sure somebody must have guessed it. કેમ તમારે 86,400 જ આપવું?
That is the minutes of the whole year.
No. Very close, but not exactly.
Sorwala, she's the branch president for
Okay.
Science Welfare Foundation, branch 1A.
Okay.
I wish she could have thought of this. Exactly.
Okay.
True.
Thank you very
Very
much.
close. So I'll just break the silence. It is 24 hours.
Hours,
The
yeah.
24 hours into 60 minutes, per minute 60 seconds, it comes to 86,400. So every individual, જ્યારે આપને છે, every individual, everyday basis પર આપને બધાને same time મળે છે. All of us get 24 hours only. But then some are able to do many activities in 24 hours. Some are able to do few activities in 24 hours. And that is exactly why we are doing this webinar over here, that if we have the same time, then why some are able to manage and why some are not able to manage, and how do we better manage our time? So that is one. And the second one is the 5 activity which you did is linked to prioritizing. When I say prioritizing, matlab ke 5 activity api thi, right? Now you think in your group कि જ્યારે મેં 5 activity આપી હતી, મેં તો નંબર લખી કરા હતા 1 2 3 4 5. Did you follow that number? कि हमें પહેલા આજ કરશું, પછી સેકન્ડ આ લખેલું છે તો આજ કરશું, या થર્ડ આ લખેલું છે તો આ કરશું?
Yes, we followed.
Did everyone follow? कि પછી કોઈએ કીધું કે મને પ્લેન બનાવતા આવડે છે, મેં પહેલા પ્લેન બનાવી લઉં? કોઈ એમ કીધું કે પૈસા વાપરવાનું ચાલુ કરીએ?
નહીં.
In our group, everyone
Step by
followed.
step ગયેલા છે.
We followed the step. Okay. In any of the group, you just did randomly divide કરી લીધું કામ, અને એકે આ complete કરું, એકે નામ સોચું, એકે ગાયન સોચું?
No.
No, we didn't divide the work, but we thought કે પહેલા બેસીને જેટલું કરવાનું છે આપસમાં વાત કરી લઈએ, પછી રાઉન્ડ મારવા જશું, and that's how we did it.
Okay. So there's some different ways where we prioritize. કોઈ આ પહેલા કરું કોઈ ગ્રુપમાં, તો કોઈ ગ્રુપમાં આ પહેલા કરું. Not necessary that everyone took a round of the house first, because that was written first. So the idea is we prioritize our task based on our comfort કે આપણે કયું પહેલા કરવામાં comfortable છે. Are we understanding what I'm saying? So that is the whole idea of time management and prioritizing, and I'll share the presentation without further delay. Yes, Rashida Ben, I can see your hand raised. Do you have a question? Rashida Ben Ghiwala?
No, sorry, that was by mistake.
Okay, all right, okay. So let us begin with time management first. As I said, कि बधाने same time appama आयो तो. So what is this? When I talk about time management, it is not about managing time. What you really manage is the activity. अपने जो activity होई छे आखा दिवसनी, that is what we manage. क्योंकि time is something that we are not managing as a whole. Because the time to chalto rahi che, but we are managing our activity. So that is basically what is an understanding of time management. Ke ઈ શું હોય છે? Now, when we have to say, let us ask some questions to ourselves. That શું કરવાનું છે આના અંદર? What are the questions that we will ask? How much time do I have? What are my goals? મને શું આખા દિવસમાં કામ કરવાનું છે? What is my goal? Does free time really mean free time? મને free time મળે છે તો ઈ સચ્ચીમાં મારો free time હોય છે? Do I have a schedule? કે મેં કઈ schedule follow કરું છું આખા દિવસમાં? Do I use a planner? મારું planner છે કે આ દિવસે આ activity થવી જોઈએ, આ દિવસે આ activity થવી જોઈએ. Do I plan my day, my week or my month? Do you delay work? અગર મારું આજનું કામ છે તો મેં કાલ પર નાખી દઉં છું. Am I delaying that? Are you equipped with time management tips? These are the questions we first need to identify, that are these questions answered? If yes, then we know how to manage the time well. So let's move forward. હવે time manage કરવામાં અમારે ઘણી બધી પરેશાની આવે છે. We generally face a lot of issues. There are some obstacles that I have mentioned. Not necessarily everybody will face the same obstacle. Some may feel that, you know, કોઈ ના નહીં કહી શકતું, તો ઘણું બધું કામ લઈને બેસી જાય છે. I just can't say no. Somebody has too many things to do. Somebody is feeling stress કે એટલું એટલું કામ છે તો ખાલી stress feel થઈ રહ્યો છે, but the work is not happening. Do we all feel any of these? या मैं કામમાં છું તો ઘણું બધું interruptions આવતું હોય છે, વચ્ચે વચ્ચે calls આયા કરે છે. So these are my obstacles. Now when I know, I identify my obstacles, then what do I need to do? What is the actual problem? The actual problem is that some studies also estimate people waste about 2 hours per day. દિવસમાં 2 કલાક તો waste થાય જ છે. And what are those signs which tells me કે મારા time waste થઈ રહ્યો છે? Unscheduled appointment છે, या you know, I volunteer to do something, या because मैं एकदम tired છું and concentrate नहीं કરી સકી રહ્યો. So there are certain things which tells me that okay, my time is actually getting wasted and this is the problem area. So that is what I identify. Then what do I do? What can we do after I recognize? મને ખબર છે કે obstacles છે, I identified it. So હવે મને strategies બનાવવાની છે. Now I need to strategize that okay, I know that this is the problem area. I know these are my obstacles and this is the time that I generally you know, feel is getting wasted. How do I utilize it? So how do I utilize it? There is a Pareto's principle. I am sorry to take you back to the economics, but I think आपने सामलो हसे, there is an 80-20 rule that we do. That, you know, either you put 20% efforts and you get 80% results, or either you put 80% of effort and then what result you are getting is the remaining 20%. So now we need to turn around and see apne su karu che, what kind of an 80-20 rule I have to follow. So now how will we equipped? There's something over here which says, I don't think I need to tell you in this story. koi mane kaise su che આના અંદર picture માં?
એક કુઝામાં પાણી છે, એકમાં ઓછું પાણી છે, એકમાં વધારે પાણી છે. નહીં, સેમ લેવલ પાણી છે.
ઓકે.
પણ ક્રોને પીવું છે પાણી, પણ એ પાણી પી નથી શકતો.
ઓકે.
એટલું તો સમજ આવ્યું છે.
તો આ શું કરે છે ને આ શું કરે છે?
It's about hard, smart work. He's working smartly. Putting stones.
પેલા સ્ટ્રો એ સ્ટ્રો હાર્ડ વર્ક કરેલું છે.
I hard work કરું છે.
Putting stones, getting the water up, and then he will drink it. The other one is a little smarter, just uses a little technology.
Straw આવે છે ને પી લે છે.
નાખીને પાણી ઉપર લાવે છે અને પછી પી છે.
આને બહુ ટાઈમ લાગો પણ આનું સેમ કામ જલ્દી થઈ ગયું અને ઘડી ઘડી જઈને સ્ટોન લાવવા પડતા હતા, આ ખાલી એક સ્ટ્રો લઈને આવ્યો. કરેક્ટ? So that is a difference which helps us in managing our time better.
Yeah.
Very important part. This is something which we use for prioritizing. When I say I need to manage my time and I need to prioritize my work, there is this quadrant and everybody has this quadrant. I'm a quadrant through detail mein explain karu chu. This quadrant there are 4 quadrants. Quadrant એટલે quarters apne kahiye ne, 1/4 of the whole circle. That is a quarter. So this is 1 quarter. That is the first quadrant. It says urgent and important. So there are many tasks je urgent pan hoy che, important pan hoy che. Then the second quadrant says ke je task che it is not urgent pan important che. Okay. Then there is a third quadrant which says urgent che but શું નથી, important નથી, not important. And then we have the last quadrant which is not urgent and not important. Correct? So now let us understand little more one by one each quadrant. Quadrant 1 શું હોય છે? How do I prioritize my work? How do I prioritize things? So when I prioritize my work, when I look at quadrant 1, which means આ quadrant ના અંદર કોઈ task હોય છે, it needs immediate attention. Any attention immediate જોવે છે. What can it be? Represent things that are both urgent pan che ne important pan che, and we need to spend our time here. This is where we manage. Especially अगर example आपको है deadlines, अगर कोई काम ની deadline આપી છે બોસીએ કે આ time પર થવું જોઈએ, which means it automatically makes the work immediate also and urgent also, which means important also and urgent also. For students especially studying for exam, अगर exam કાલે છે તો આજના દિવસમાં એ લોકોના વાસ્તે શું important છે? Urgent and important બેવે શું થઈ જશે? Studying. Do we agree so far? In this particular quadrant, any kind of emergency also falls. If somebody is falling sick, तो ये time पर अपने नहीं कह सकता that you know no आ तो પછી પણ થાશે. Getting my point? I'll give you an example. Firefighter we all know, જે fire brigade में the firefighters જે કામ કરે છે. Let's say for example, one day at a normal day of work, he has asked to leave early. Okay, ये एक दिवस जल्दी જવાના વાસ્તે request નાખી છે, and close to that time only call આવે છે that there is a fire broke out somewhere. હવે અગર એ fire broke out થઈ ગયો છે તો for that particular firefighter will staying at work will become urgent and important also, કે એમ કહી શકે છે કે નહીં નહીં મારી તો આજે half day હતી તો मैं જાઉં છું. Because that is what? An emergency. Am I audible to everyone? Because there's a lot of silence and I am on my screen. So you can just...
We just muted.
Okay.
Zabia, you're audible. It's clear.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Then we move on to the second quadrant. Now, second quadrant માં આપના કયા task આવે છે? Second quadrant માં આપના ઈ task આવે છે જે important તો છે, which are important, but एकदम urgent નથી. એવું નથી કે તમારે હમણાં ને હમણાં કરવાનું છે. So what you can do is, in this particular task or this particular quadrant, અહીંયા જે પણ fall કરે છે, now we need to decide what we need to put it over there. So maybe a trip that we are planning, so you plan properly. अपने problems समझी सकसू, अपने एकबीजाने काम upskill કરી શકશું. Maybe if one work which I was doing and if I have time, તો मैं कोई બીજાને responsible બનાવું, કોઈ બીજાને તૈયાર કરું ઈ કામ કરવા વાસ્તે. So the dependability is not on me. Somebody else can also volunteer and do that work. All right. Similarly, what all things can come, like from student perspective, from working perspective, agar koi ne koi course karvo che, or if you need to read a book, or if you need to do some work, you can very much decide ki kare karvu che. So this is the quadrant which helps you decide a particular time to do it. Are we all okay till here? So then I divide my time कि अच्छा मैं कोई बीजाने अगर prepare करी लाइस आ काम करवा वास्ते, or maybe I'll prepare my child to do this, then आ काम मारू नहीं रहा. I am delegating it on someone else, or maybe I'm deciding a different task. Because why I'm saying delegating, and I changed my thing, because that delegation comes in the third quadrant. Third quadrant na andar શું આવે છે? Third quadrant says urgent but not important. So अगर urgent છે So very important to understand કે આ urgent આપના માટે નથી. Maybe it is urgent for someone else. So it is probably not important for me. Like a last minute call. When a friend needs to go somewhere, so તમારે call કરીને કહેશે કે મારા સાથે ચલો, or you come with me, why don't you accompany me? Happens with all of us. And then we say કે યાર એ ના કેવું સારું નહીં લાગતું. The main reason why most of our time gets wasted is we cannot say no. So because we cannot say no, then we are going. So it is not at all important for me to actually accompany, but still I am going. So that is what falls over here, which means here I need to learn to delegate things. That if I cannot do it, somebody else can do it. Not necessarily I have to say yes for everything. So it is nice to do, but not necessary to do. So there are many activities that falls in this quadrant. Now comes the last one. Now what is this last quadrant? Not urgent, not important. I think before even I could say, many would have already guessed it. Kya so activities out here, sir. These activities are my actual time eaters. For now, I think social media is one such platform which is a time eater. So if you know that this is your problem area, if you identify that this is my problem area, then what do? I reserve an activity and a time. Not urgent, not important. So waste nathi karo, so I give a specific time. Let's say, for example, if watching TV, I'm not saying we cannot watch TV or we cannot take phone call and all. But then if I give a specific time, if I watch TV and if it is a stress, reliever for you, you watch it. But then you need to understand that it could be moved over here. My time decide karo. You plan it. Then how much time? Wherein I'm not utilizing the whole time. And I decide ki kitlo time spend karvano che, and that is how I decide my quadrant. So if I'm prioritizing, I am around these 4 quadrants if I need to plan my day. So what do? What is the problem with urgency? When I say urgency, I think everybody would have heard this word. First thing first, samlu che badhaye, su hamna su karvanu che, ee pela kari laiye. Happens?
Maria.
So urgency itself is not the problem. When urgency is dominant factor in our life, so je important cheezo hoi che, ee nahi thati. Because then what we are doing is, hamna a important che ne a urgent che, pela a kari lo. Pachi jare ee urgent bani jase, then we will do it. So what happens slowly, all my tasks are flowing from quadrant 4, 3, 2, and pachi kai baju avi jai che, quadrant 1 ma avi jai che, and that is the time I panic. And મને થાય છે કે બહુ કામ છે and it is very stressed and મારું કામ નહીં થઈ રહ્યું. Do we agree till here? To a certain extent, I have stopped sharing the screen because I wanted to see everyone. Are we all okay? We are understanding the 4 quadrants. Should we continue?
Yeah, please go ahead. Just a query, Zahabia. When you're taking phone calls, is not important, not urgent. But at times for salespeople, that also very critical, right? Every customer call, I mean HR, okay. So for me, every candidate who calls up call is very important in that way. So you mentioned not urgent, not important. That's why just a query in that way.
No, though there are 2 places where phone calls have come, in quadrant 3 also and in quadrant 4 also. So when it is in quadrant 3, which means you can delegate. So not necessary that each and every call that comes, if there is a possibility, if I can prepare somebody else in my place who can actually attend the random calls and only pass the important calls to you. If that can happen, if there is a possibility, then, we can start off from there wherein I am not utilizing all my time. Because then what happens, the whole time goes into that particular phone calls only. So that's why it is. So many phone calls, if you know that the call is going to waste your time, you probably don't answer. And that's why it has been put in 3 also and 4 also.
Okay, both quadrants. Okay, that's no issues here.
All right, thank you. So I'll continue sharing the screen. This is a very important matrix. If you all want, you all can just take a picture of this so that you know how you decide and you do your work. So the quadrant 1, which we said do, which means you do not have any option, you have to do it now. So it is do it now. Then not urgent and important, you decide, you schedule a time to do it. अगर कोई activity छे जे हमना ने हमना नथी करवी, urgent नथी, you decide a time and you do it on that decided time. You plan it. Then the third quadrant, not important but urgent. Okay, call avi gayo chhe, it is urgent. So then what do? Who can do it for you? You delegate it. That okay, you know, you can do it. Some work, agar niche jawo chhe kai saman lewa vaste, not necessary every time you have to step down. There are many other ways to you know, get things done. Now so we mostly are ordering things online, but still if you think that still you do not have enough of time, then you still see how you can delegate more of your activities from your day. And the last one is delete, which is eliminate. If you eliminate most of your time eaters, then I think you will have time for these two, and you will be able to manage these two well, so your things are not falling over here, taki last minute urgent nahi bani jati. Are we clear so far? Okay, I can see some thumbs up. I'll move ahead. So now what is the action plan? Now we were only talking about these are the quadrants and these are the activities. So how do I plan it? So either I plan by analyzing my time as 80-20, what I need to do. I either do not react to the urgency, that depending upon how urgent it is, whether it is urgent for me or whether it is urgent for someone else. Based on that, I decide my reaction. I deal with one paper at once, which means once I take a task, I try to complete that task, only then I move to the other task. If I am not good at multitasking. Some people are very good at multitasking, so they can manage well. The ones who are not good at multitasking, for them it is advisable to finish one thing, because what happens the minute they think, hey, I will try multitasking, and then they have 3-4 works and then they are not able to finish that work. That is where the stress comes in. And allocate time according to the priorities. So how do you prioritize? Quiet hour, session decided based on 1, 2, 3, 4 quadrant. What else can be done? I can either have a to-do list, top 3 priorities today, or what we can do is follow a schedule or something. Maybe tonight I decide what are my 3 priorities for tomorrow. So મને ખબર છે કે કાલે મને આ 3 task complete કરવાના છે, so I plan my day accordingly, so that I know that if these are the 3 tasks which I'm going to do tomorrow, how much time it will take and how much of time I will have for the other activity. I have a follow through. I will check. Very important. I learned to say the 2-letter word. Can I hear the word?
No.
I learned to say the 2-letter word no, which means I will not be able to do it. It's not saying that, you know, we be very rude and say no. There is always a nice way of saying no. I'm not here to, tell about all that. I'm sure everyone knows how politely we can say no. Visualize and auto suggest. Now when we know, agar apne visualize કરી દે, મને ખબર છે કે આ કામ મેં generally આટલી વારમાં કરી લઉં છું, so then I know what are the other things I can do. So auto suggestion અંદર I will finish my other things. Delegate low priority items. When I know કે આની priority નથી વધારે, I might as well get it done from somewhere else. What am I doing? Prioritize. Address the urgent. Accomplish what you can early. જલ્દી થઈ જાય છે, you accomplish early. Attach deadlines to things you delay. જે ચીજને આપણે હંમેશા delay કરે છે, પછી કરશું, so that પછી you put a deadline that by this date or by this time, this has to be accomplished. So we need to follow these 4 matrix: do, delegate, delay, delete. Learn when to say no. So when you learn to say no, you can't do everything. Don't undertake things you cannot complete or you can't complete. Remain consistent, because see, you have certain goals for yourself. If you know that these are my task and only I am the one who are going to do it, so make sure you focus on your goals first, and then we can certainly give a helping hand to someone else. Use your waiting time. Now, there is a lot of waiting time, maybe in transport or maybe at doctor's clinic or maybe on plane or on hold or when you are early. So how do you plan your things? Probably, you know, you correspond, you write, you read books. How do you utilize your time? Because that waiting time, you can use it for something productive. When we say na ki mane mara vaste to time જ નહીં મળતો, we generally say this. So when mara vaste time nahi milto, so where can I put that particular time is somewhere in the waiting time period. So we can utilize those time. Concentrate on the task at hand. Now we have taken up a task, focus on that task, make sure that is completed without any interruption. Consider your personal prime time. Now this is very important. When I say personal prime time means each individual have their most productive hours of the day. Somebody is very productive during morning. Savare, they are very fresh. They think that, they should finish maximum of their work in the morning. Some are very productive towards evening, and some are very productive when they are home, maybe after their dinner and all. They feel this is my time where I can do many things, I can finish many things. So identify that time and make sure you make the most of that time for yourself. Then what do? I review everything. I'm just going a review. What do? I first set a goal for myself. When I set a goal, I prioritize. When I know there are 10 things to do, a 10 masi kai quadrant ma aave chhe. Which is urgent, which is important, which is not urgent but important, which is not important, not urgent, then I accordingly do it. I organize that આ કરવાના વાસ્તે maybe કાલે મને આ જોવે છે, તો probably આજે રાતે જ એની તૈયારી કરી લઉં. I learn to say no. I use my waiting time. I concentrate on the task which I am actually doing so that I am properly focused. Consider your personal prime time, because if this is achieved, then you do what? You celebrate the success of accomplishment. So you are able to finish your task on time. 5 steps to remember. These are the 5 steps that you need to remember. What is it that you need to remember? You need to first define your role. That agar આ task છે, in that particular task, ya આજે કામ છે, એમાં actual મારો role શું છે? Then I set my goals, monthly goals. If these are the things I need to achieve in a whole month, આ બધા કામ થવા જોઈએ, then I set it. I have my schedule, weekly schedule. Monday to Friday, maybe Saturday, Sunday, I don't keep anything. If I have a non-working day, then I can make a different planner for Saturday and Sunday. I adopt it daily. 80-20 rule I follow thoroughly. That how much I have completed. If 20 rahi jase, then that 20 you try to achieve the next day. Don't keep it the other way around. Act on it right now. Because if we do not act on it right now, what will happen? Either run the day or the day runs you. So if we are able to manage these quadrants, and I'll stop share right here. And I think we are very much on time. So that is it from the presentation part. And if there is anything that you need to share or you need to ask, please feel free. And let me know if it helped you in any way.
Anyone has any queries? Please unmute yourself and ask.
I think it's the last 5-10 minutes of the session. If we can have everyone put on their camera, so at least we can have some conversation over here.
Yeah, some conversation or some pics also can be taken that time. So nice sessions, Abia. Good 13 years you're into this field, and not an easy task to take a session on time management in the evening for all of us. Okay, so well done.
Thank you so much.
I'm a certified trainer of Indian Society Training and Development and Landmark, if you have heard. Landmark.
Okay, yes.
Landmark Worldwide Breakthrough Technologies.
Okay, nice.
So nice session covered by you. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Manu. And that is what I was just saying, that the time management was managed well and we finished on time because it was 1 hour session.
Yeah, it's well within time. Yeah, and nice Rashida and the entire team of the Baikala group and other groups. Sorry?
It's Giants Group of Mazgaon Greens.
Mazgaon. Because you all are star groups, na Baikala, Mazgaon, City Tank.
Thank you so
I was
much.
a past president of Jew also, like past president of Giants Group of Jew. And we smoke in the morning, Rashida ji. Yeah.
Yes.
So you missed yesterday's session.
Thank you for joining, Milan ji. Thank you for joining, Murtuza Ghariali, Aziz, everybody. Thank you so much. And
thank you so much for being there.
I want to thank Zavia Kagalwala for being such a wonderful speaker. The audience has been amazing. Y'all have all interacted. Y'all have all participated in whatever activity she has told us to. And Zavia, it was a really, really wonderful session. It was,
Thank you, my pleasure.
yes, it was completely enlightening and we've all enjoyed it thoroughly. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much. My pleasure. I think Zainab Kagzi has raised hand. If there is a question. Acha, okay. All right.
I have a question
Okay,
if we are
thank
open. Yeah.
Yes, please. Yes.
Yeah. So the four quadrants, what you said, firstly, the fantastic session. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
And
Thank
yeah,
you.
time management is something I'm very bad at. And
Okay.
so at times I feel, it's in the first quadrant, urgent and important. It's in the do. And then I'm not able to do that. And it comes at a stage where it is like, okay, at this stage now it's too late, to respond to it or do something. So either I delete it or do it late. So in that case, what should be done? If something is okay, if a message is to be responded, and I'm late in that, so whether to ignore it or give it in a time where someone would say, "Arey, ye itna late aaya," So
See,
what do we do in such case?
No, that is exactly why we have these quadrants when we do prioritization, is because we know that eventually any of the activity or whatever task we have in a day, if we do not address it when they are on in quadrant 3 and 2, then automatically it falls in 1 because the time nikli jai chhe. So when you know that there is a particular task, you identify and you fix it in one particular quadrant. Let's say if that particular task, you know that it is going to come. Like, for working people, we know that what is my daily task. There are days when there is some unexpected things that comes, because of which je already planned vastu chhe, e pachal challi jai chhe. But when it goes to the next day, when you pass it on to the next day, then you make sure that you prioritize those 3 things. That's why I said prioritize your 3 tasks for the day. So when you know that this was supposed to happen today and because some unexpected thing came, I couldn't do it. So what am I supposed to do? The next priority will be those tasks which I was not able to accomplish today. So that's when that quadrants are shifted from one to other. And that is when I do my 80-20. 80-20 rule, if I follow, I know that 80% of the things I was able to accomplish in my day, which I had planned, which I had set my goals on. 20, which I was not able to do it. Now that 20 has to be my priority for the next day. So that is how I plan. And I certainly understand, because that is why quadrant 1 is urgent and important. You cannot escape it. It is like karbuj person. Those are emergency situation. We cannot escape it. And that is the reason we need to identify other things which we can either delete or we can delegate, because delegation is very, very important when it comes to time management. Because what happens in time management, we as an individual, we have many things to do. And with this COVID and things and all, we think that working from home has happened and things has happened, but then actually it is taking a lot more time than it used to take before. So when I know that these are the times when I need to sit over here, I have to be online, and these are the other things which can happen when I am not there or I'm traveling somewhere, then you probably fit in those information. That is the reason a schedule is very, very important. So you probably have a chart. I do not have it right now, otherwise I would have shown it. I have a chart for my son also, and how I plan it. So you have weekly planners, you do the activity and you probably take it. Like, for children, we generally do it. You tick if those activities are accomplished. So if you can see it in front of it, you put it on a, maybe on your desk somewhere, or you put it on, and every month you make sure you make a plan. And this is what I used to do when I was working also full time in the corporate. We had these training planners. When I know that my planned training che, and I have to do these trainings, and the remaining hours, that is the time when I do my other activity. So if I know that these are the things which are going to come, I plan it. So I think that is what I can suggest.
Fine. Thank you so much, Zavia. Thank you.
Thank you.
And congratulations to Giants Group of Mazgaon for this wonderful organization. Thanks, sir. Thanks, Rashida.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for staying through and giving time at so late.
Unexpected. Things keep coming every day. We keep thinking we will do this or that, but we end up doing what life brings in your face. But if we know something that Zavia's taught us today, and now we know how to prioritize, even if life throws it on your face, we know how to say no now. And we know how to delegate, how to prioritize properly. And I think this is going to be a wonderful, wonderful thing learned today. We're going to take it forward. I hope it helps us in our own daily lives. Thank you so much, Zavia, for being here today.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I would also request everyone, I'll be sharing the feedback form in the WhatsApp group. It would be nice if you share. It will help us to improvise if there is anything that we can do or whatever.
All the audience here are all on the prioritizing WhatsApp group also. We'll be sharing it over there. Yes, continue. Sorry.
Okay, so if you want, I can share the link right here also on the chat of the feedback form, as well as I'll share the feedback form into the WhatsApp group. So please, if you can take out 2 minutes and share your feedback, it would really, really help us. That would be really nice. So thank you very much for your time. I'll just quickly share it. 1 minute. The feedback form link is on the chat in Zoom, as well as I will share it on the WhatsApp group as well. Thank you very much for your time and have a good one.
Thank you, Zavia. Once again. Thank you, everybody, for attending. Bye-bye.
Thanks all. Bye.
Bye, everyone.